Hello everyone. Good morning children. How are you all? I hope you all good. So today we are going to start lecture number 2 of chapter 18. But before that we're doing some discussion about the last lecture. So come to the chapter 18, page number 137. So here chapter 18, Wildlife. So, in the first lecture of this chapter, we have learned about the animal geographical regions of India. So, there is a total 9 zone divided according to similarities in characteristics and their existence. So, these are as follow. First one, Himalayas region. Second, Ladakh and dry cold area. Third one, forest region at lower Himalayas. Fourth one, highlands without forest cover in upper Himalayas. Fifth one, northern plain. Sixth, desert of Rajasthan. Seventh, peninsular plateau. Eight, sea coast. And nine, Nilgiri hills. So there is a total 9 zone in India according to the characteristics of particular animal. And then diversity wildlife of India. So in this topic, we have learned about the different types of birds, animals, and respect and their religions, respective birds and animals, and many new words and name of animal and birds we heard. And then, in like to know, we learned about the largest bird, smallest bird, largest butterfly, smallest butterflies, right? And then wildlife and need for conservation. And in this topic we have seen that figures in 2014 given by forest, there is a total 2226, and in a past year, 100 years before, there is 1,000 numbers, so it will be increased. And then about the vulture, so it becoming extinct due to eating the meat which become polluted by diclofenac drug used in treatment of sick milk cattle. Then in 20th century, Asian lion of Gir, which were seen up to the Middle East and now restricted to the Gir forest only. And then, with the due steps for taken their protection, now the number is 523. Then, crane. So, crane was seen in a large number in Gujarat, and now that is reduced. Then, second is a squirrel. Next. Then, Shyam Garud. Residence in mountainous forest in Gujarat is now rarely seen. Then Chilotro, forest of Vijayanagar Taluka of Sabarkantha district, now rarely seen. So many of birds and animals which we have seen before in many numbers, and now that is reduced. So next topic, important national park and sanctuaries of India. See students, it is very important for you in examination, and if school will started, then also map will ask in examination. So for the map it is also इम्पोर्टेंट. अगर स्कूल स्टार्ट होगी तो मैं स्कूल स्टार्ट होने के बाद ही आपको मैप करवाने वाली हूँ, सो उसमें हम कवर कर लेंगे. नाउ वी जस्ट रीड द नेशनल पार्क एंड द सेंचुरी ऑफ पर्टिकुलर national park, then we'll start the next topic. So first, national park Kaziranga in Assam, and a sanctuary of the rhino, wild buffalo and deer. The next, Thar desert in Rajasthan for the desert wolf, desert cat and bustard. Then Kanha in Madhya Pradesh, tiger and antelope. Then Gir National Park in Gujarat for lion, leopard and cheetah. Then Vedavadar Kaliyar National Park in Gujarat. So black buck, wolf, peacock and bustard. See, you remember the name of the state. So, so then you can easily learn the map. Then Kevladev in Bharatpur in Rajasthan for the birds, migratory and local. Then Bandipur in Karnataka for elephant, bear, hawk and wildcat. Then Dachigam Jammu in Union Territory for the Hammu, that is Kashmiri deer and musk deer. Then Corbett in Uttarakhand for the tiger, elephant, leopard and deer. So here we see in total 9 national park and the other sanctuaries for that. Now we again repeat that Kaziranga in Assam for the rhino, wild buffalo and deer. Then Thar Desert in Rajasthan, sanctuary for the desert wolf, desert cat and bustard. Then Kahana National Park in Madhya Pradesh for the tiger and antelope both. Next, Gir National Park in Gujarat for lion, leopard and cheetal, but mostly for the lion only. Then Velavadar Kalia National Park in Gujarat, famous for the black buck, wolf, peacock and bustard. Then Kevladev in Rajasthan for the migratory and local birds. And Bandipur in Karnataka for elephant, bear, hawk and wildcat. Then Dachigam, Jammu for the Kashmiri deer and musk deer. And Corbett in Uttarakhand for the tiger, elephant, leopard, deer, etc. Now we can see in the map here a blue circle for the wildlife sanctuary, pink star for the bird sanctuary and the green triangle for the national park. So wildlife sanctuary, first we see about the wildlife sanctuary. See in the starting Sariska, then Caliodia, then Chandraprabha, Rajgir, Chandaka Dampara, then Pokaram, then Kaval, Iturnagaram and Mrudumalai and Periyar. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 wildlife sanctuary are given in map. Next, bird sanctuary. So there is a 3 bird sanctuary. First, Vedantangal. Second, Nal Sarovar, and the third one, Ranganathitu. Then next, national park. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Total 17 national parks are given there in map. First, Dachigam. Next, Rajaji. Next, Corbett. Then Dudhwa. Then Ranthambore. Then Shivpuri. Then Kanha. Tadaba. Simlipal. Then near to the Assam side, Manas. Kaziranga. Gorumara. Then Gujarat side, Gir. Pirotan. Velavadar. Next, Guindi and Bandipur. So there is total 17 national parks, 3 bird sanctuaries and 10 to 13 wildlife sanctuaries are there in map. So if you doing by yourself and it's possible, then you just fill up in your map book or else in school मैं करवाऊँगी. Next, danger to wildlife. So, a question mark has been put against the existence of entire wildlife due to the human greed and development in recent times. Please underline. Due to or and because of human greeds and development in recent times, entire wildlife put against the danger zone. And that's why there is a question mark for the existence of entire wildlife. On examining examining the reason, it is understood that the wildlife has become unprotected as they have lost their natural habitat due to continuously decreasing the forest. The human being decrease the forest, cut the trees because of for personal greed. I mean, it's a personal advantage, and due to the reduction of forest, a natural habitat of animal and birds they're lost, and that's why they become unprotected. Then hunting carried out to get skin, meat, teeth, hair and bones is a big problem. हमने सुना है कि एलिफेंट के टीथ हम ले लेते हैं, फिर कोई कोई एनिमल्स की स्किन हम लेते हैं, राइट? सो देयर इज़ अ बिग प्रॉब्लम आर due to heavy grazing by domestic animal in the forest. Herbivores are deprived of their food, which result in decrease in their number. Then it will deprive carnivores of getting their food. So these carnivores reach human settlement in search of food and attack domestic animals. As they approach a human settlement, situation of conflict arises between wildlife and human beings. See, many a times what happen, जो एनिमल्स फॉरेस्ट में होते हैं वो अपने फूड के लिए ह्यूमन एरियाज में चले जाते हैं और डोमेस्टिक एनिमल को खा जाते हैं, और ऐसे डोमेस्टिक एनिमल है वो रिड्यूस हो जाते हैं, और दैट्स वाई द conflict arise between the wild animal and the human beings, and this conflict leads to a destruction of wildlife, and besides the human activity in the forest causes adverse effect on the wild animals. Next, like to know, there is a sharp decrease in the number of domestic sparrow. We can see first sparrow कितनी थी, और हम now बहुत rare case में we can see the sparrow. So sharply decrease in the number of domestic sparrow. Then a lion in a state animal and a flamingo is the state bird of Gujarat. State bird of Gujarat there is flamingo and the state animal is the lion. Asiatic lion, gudkar and a patti lizard are found only in Gujarat in India, no anywhere else. Then wild buffalo, animal, then elephant, cheetah, large Indian squirrel, tiger, etc. become extinct in Gujarat. See, first we see that the state bird of Gujarat that is flamingo, state animal of Gujarat is lion. Next point is that domestic sparrow sharply decreases, then wild buffalo that is Indian bison, elephant, cheetah, large Indian squirrel, tiger, etc. become extinct in Gujarat. Then desert sanctuary of Kutch is the largest among the sanctuaries in Gujarat. And the Porbandar bird sanctuary is the smallest sanctuary in Gujarat. See students, these all topics are very important for them. MCQ questions and one sentence or blank. Next point. Due to the decrease in a forest area, the wild animal occasionally come within the human habitation, and then conflict arises between the human life and wildlife. So human interference in the area of wild animals result into clashes with them. The reason क्या है कि wild animal occasionally come within the human habitations because हम ही forest decrease कर रहे हैं. If we stop the reduce the forest, then wild animal will never come to the human habitation. So first reduce the human interference in the area of wild animal. Then in such incidents, wild animal become a victim of human rage and lost their life. So in the south and southeastern area, elephants coming in search for food create havoc in the agriculture field, and incidents of injuries or killing man by leopard take place in Saurashtra and South Gujarat, and by wolf in the forest of northeastern Gujarat. And the precautions is necessary to prevent a such disaster. And for that, first we stop the reduced forest and also stop the hunting animals for our satisfied our greed. So first underline the important points. First one is that a wild animal become a victim of human wreck and lost their life. Then due to human interference in area of wild animal resulted into clash with them, and then arise the conflict between the human being and wildlife. There is 2 point is important. Then next one is injuring or killing man by leopard take place in Saurashtra and by wolf in forest of northeastern Gujarat. And also underline the like to know sharply decrease the number of domestic sparrow, state animal and state bird. Like to know table is very important for examination. Now you have just 2 minutes for learn this national park with the state name and centuries. Start the read and try to learn right now national park with the particular state and centuries. Total 9 national parks are there. There is a 9 national parks with respective state and century. Try to learn student. Okay, then good. Now come to the map. Just see the all national park, bird sanctuary and wildlife sanctuary in map. Green triangle denotes the national park, pink star denotes the bird sanctuary and a blue circle denotes the wildlife sanctuary. So just see and one time read it only. For that you have 1 minute. Okay, done? Good. Next, danger to wildlife. Read this both the paragraphs in 2 to 3 minutes and then we'll start the new topic. And try to underline the important points with reading also. Fast reading fast. After 2 minutes, we'll start the new topic. Underline get skin, meat, teeth, hair, bones. There is a big problem. Then also for the food and attack domestic animals. Then like to know. Okay, clear? Good. Now to the last paragraph. Just read it. Okay, done? Good. Now, new topic that is remedies to conserve wildlife, then step taken to preserve the wildlife. And then like to know, and then chapter will be completed. But now we just revise this chapter and the new topic will start from the next lecture. So in the starting of this chapter we have seen about the total 15 lakh species of wildlife in entire world, and out of that 81,251 are found in India, like reptiles, mammals, fishes and other insects. And the next one is India has a less forest cover and compared to the wildlife diversity is noticeable. Next topic is the animal geographical region of India. So, natural vegetations have been devised on the basis of characteristics. Same as spatial distribution can be made for animals, and there is a divided into 9 zones according to similarities. And that 9 is there Himalayas, Ladakh and dry cold forest region, highland without forest cover, northern plain, desert of Rajasthan, peninsular plateau, sea coast and Nilgiri. Biodiversity is studied according to this zoo, geographical region. Next one, diversified wildlife of India. So in this para we can see about we could see that the swampy areas, sea coast, mountainous regions are vast valuable plains and dense rainforest and other high regions for a vast background for the habitation of wildlife. And the animals seen are Asian elephant in a peninsular range, one horn in swampy Brahmaputra, snow leopard in high Himalayas, then etc. Presence of Great India busted in a grassland area is noted again. Then waterlogged areas, migratory birds from cold come down in great numbers. Then these includes the Siberian crane, pelican, Tibetan duck, conch, carcara, etc. birds are included. Then the flying squirrel are seen in the dense forest of Western Ghat. Nicobari dove is the rare bird seen in Nicobar Island. Next, you just underline please. In 1 minute if आपने अंडरलाइन नहीं की तो कर लो. अंडरलाइन एग्जाम पे बहुत काम आने वाली है आपको. Now like to know crane is the largest bird, Fulsungo is the smallest bird, birdwing is the largest butterfly, Cirrus jewel is the smallest butterfly. Next, wildlife in need for conservation. ये हमने जस्ट देखा ही है तो ये रिवाइज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Then national parks and sanctuaries. It is very important, so we repeat again. Kaziranga in Assam, Thar Desert in Rajasthan, Kanha in Madhya Pradesh, Gir National Park in Gujarat, Velavadar Kalia National Park in Gujarat, Kevladev in Rajasthan, Bandipur in Karnataka, Dachigam in Jammu Union Territory, Corbett in Uttarakhand, and related sanctuaries rhino, wild buffalo, and deer to the Kaziranga, desert wolf, desert cat, and bustard in Thar Desert, tiger and antelope in Kanha, lion, leopard, cheetal in Gir National Park, black buck, wolf, peacock in Velavadar, birds in Kevladev, elephant, deer, hog, and wildcat in Bandipur. Then Kashmiri deer and musk deer in Dachiga, and the tiger elephant in Corbett. See students, many a times we revised it, repeat it. So now you can easily learn this. नेक्स्ट द मैप है, वो तो आपने देख लिया है. And dangerous to the wildlife. So in this topic we can see this, due to satisfied our greed, how to reduce the forest, and also कितना हार्मफुल है वो एनिमल्स के लिए, वो भी हमने देखा है. Just read it and then complete. Now like to know, sharp decrease in number of domestic sparrow. Lion is a state animal. This word is very important for examination. Flamingo is the state bird. Asiatic lion, gutka, and putty lizard found in Gujarat only. Wild buffalo, elephant, cheetah, etc. have become extinct in Gujarat. Desert sanctuary of Kutch is the largest among the sanctuaries in Gujarat. Porbandar Bird Sanctuary is the smaller sanctuary in Gujarat. Next, due to decrease in forest animal area, wild animal occasionally come in human habitation. And also, the reason of decrease the forest area is the human being. Because for the self-advantage, self-benefit, human being decrease the forest, cut the trees and use the place of forest area, and that's why the wild animals come to the human habitation, and then conflict arise between them. So now here we done this topic, and from the next lecture we'll start a new topic. And in your today's homework, write a short note about wildlife and need for conservation. Write a like to know this table. Then write the name of national parks and respective sanctuaries with the state. And write a short note on dangerous to the wildlife, minimum 8 points. Minimum 8 points in dangerous to the wildlife, and also 8 points in wildlife and a need for conservation. अपने आप से 8 पॉइंट्स बनाने हैं ये पैराग्राफ में से, और आपको लिखने भी हैं. Okay, so here we done today's lecture. Goodbye everyone, and from the next lecture we'll start the new topic, that is remedies to conserve wildlife. So I hope you all enjoy a lot today's lecture, and if you have any doubt then you can ask me through the comment. Okay, so goodbye everyone.